Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is LaWanda. If you are new here, if you are returning, welcome back. Okay guys, I am coming to you with a very impromptu video. I am going to try to record this video quickly. I apologize if my lighting is not great. There's an overcast outside today and so my lighting is not great, but we're going to do the best that we can with this video. I have an unboxing. This will probably be the only spring summer bag that I will buy. I do not need any additional bags, but I do love the seasons. I love to celebrate the seasons. And while I am not a person that is into a lot of colors, I have a very neutral palette. You can see around me, if you watch my videos, you know I have a very neutral aesthetic. But when I saw this piece, I was kind of excited about it and intrigued, because it's going to add a little pop of color to my collection that won't be doing too much, that I thought was really nice for spring and summer. So today, as you saw from the title of the video, I am unboxing or unbagging the Longchamp Pliage tote, the mini pouch in the color Pistachio. So it comes like this. I got this from Bloomingdale's. This is the little ticket there, you see. It comes with it. And this is the pouch, guys. It is in this beautiful, it's kind of a yellow greenish color. It's not neon, which I really appreciate that about it. It's kind of a more of a muted color. And I just love these pouches. They're so functional. I have two of them already, one in the navy blue, one in the black. And so I thought this would be the perfect pop of color that I need this summer. So I will use this obviously as a catch-all in my bags. But this is called a Cosmetics pouch. So it's supposed to be used for toiletries. But as you guys know, this pouch can be converted into a mini crossbody bag. I have done that, but it's not my favorite thing to do. First of all, I don't often wear bags this small as mini bags. And then the conversion kit, I don't even know where it is right now, but I put it on my other bags, and I've had a real problem with the conversion kits, the straps just coming up and not staying down on these bags. So I don't know, if there's another option for a conversion kit that may work, but they sell them on Amazon. They sell them on, I believe, like Dress Up Your Purse. They have the conversion kits. So if you want to wear this as a mini bag, it can be converted. But that is not how I will use this. I will use this as a catch-all in my larger bags. So yeah, this is the pouch. Let me just open it here. It has the traditional kind of Longchamp design here with this little flap in the front. Only has one handle on the bag, and you can see the detail there. It says Longchamp. You can see that detail there. Also in the front right here, it says Longchamp there. On the tag, the little pull tab is the classic Longchamp design there. Okay, and then if I open this little pouch, it's just a wide open hole. As you can see, this is what it looks like on the inside. This is just a little Longchamp booklet that came with this. Here that is, I got this, like I said, from Bloomingdale's. I think I paid $120 for it, which can be, it's a little pricey for just a nylon bag with a little bit of leather. But it is Longchamp. You're really paying for the name. You guys know I recently had that endless Easter basket, and I got my girls similar pouches from Ross. Same canvas material, same sort of leather, you know, parts on it as this bag. Those bags were $9.99, right? So to think of paying $120 for this bag does seem steep, but these bags are so durable. You're paying for the name. I just thought it was cute, and I just thought it was the perfect pop of color, especially considering the fact that, like I said, this will be my only spring summer handbag or bag or pouch. I'm not buying any more, but I'm glad to have this little pop of color in my collection. So guys, what I want to do is kind of show you what quickly fits into this bag. And I also bought a couple of bag charms. I talked about at the beginning of the year that this year I was going to be less focused on purchasing more bags because I don't need to grow my collection at this point. But I want to accessorize and use bag charms and, you know, make my older bags feel new. And so I'm excited about, you know, kind of getting more into dressing up my bags and using bag charms. So I did buy a couple of bag charms here. I went by the mall and I went to Aerie, and let me just show you the bag charms that I got because I wasn't sure which one I wanted to use. So these charms were on sale as well. And so I got two. This is the first one, if you guys can see that. Let me take it off. Now that I have it home, I can actually take it off. All right, guys, this is what this looks like. You can see it much better here. So you can see this woven, neutral, natural color. It says love on there. It has like a starfish, a turtle, some whimsical designs there. And I thought it was really cute. So I thought this would be a cute charm for this bag. This piece looks large enough that maybe I can connect it here. Sometimes it's more difficult. Well, yeah, there it is. So I can connect that there. And I think that's a really cute look right there for this bag. We'll see how it looks when I fill it up, but I think that's really cute. And then the other charm that I got, it looks like this. That's what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off as well. All right, guys, and this is what this charm looks like. Very pretty with the little floral design there and the little green leaf there. I don't know if that's supposed to be like maybe a lemon. And there's the little beading. So that was cute too. And that is how this one looks. I'm not crazy about this heart. Honestly, that looks a little juvenile for me. I mean, I'm 50 years old. I don't know how I feel about hearts, but I can take that off. Okay, so I took off the little heart things. I didn't like that. And that's what that looks like. I think that's really pretty, guys. I don't know which one I prefer, but I think they both add a really cute little touch to this bag. I think it would be too much to do both of them, so I'm gonna have to choose one or the other. You guys, drop down in the comments, let me know which one you think is the better choice for this bag. There we are. Yeah, so that's really cute. Both of those are cute. All right, guys, let's see what fits into this bag. This bag isn't a new bag. It's been out for a really long time. It was viral at one point. So it probably will come as no surprise, but let's go ahead and see what fits into this bag. All right, so what I'm gonna put in here, guys, I have some like spring and summer essentials that I would call them. Let's start with my wallet. I'm using my Key Clay Small as my wallet today. I just wanted something that would be thin, would not take up too much weight in this bag so I can get as much as I could in here. I'm gonna go ahead and take my fan, which is an essential with this summer heat. We're gonna take my hand sanitizer. This is one from Milk and Honey. I'm gonna take some sunscreen. We're gonna keep some sunscreen in here. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put my charger for my phone. We're gonna put that right in here. That is what we are looking like so far. I'm gonna do a lip balm. This is from L'Occitane. This is just a regular lip balm. We're gonna put that in there. We're gonna put my restroom spray, Poopery. Put that right in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some hand lotion in here, L'Occitane hand lotion. I'm gonna put a mascara. Sometimes I run out the house and I just forget to put mascara on, or there's something going on and I wanna do mascara, so I'm gonna put that travel size mascara right in there. I am going to put this little deodorant, same thing. Sometimes I run out, forget to put on deodorant for whatever reason, so I'm gonna put that in there. You can see I still have room. All right, I'm gonna put my little pill container. This just has like Tylenol and things like that. I could probably do something smaller for that, but that does fit in here. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my atomizer in here. This is kind of big. I keep Dior Riviera in here. I can actually get a smaller little perfume to fit in here, but let's see how this one works. This is what we're looking like in this bag. Okay, let me see now. Yeah, I should have put this in there already. This is my Clinique Moisture Surge Facial Spray. I just like to have this in the spring and summer because it gets hot outside, and so I like to spritz my face. Now this is what we're looking like at this point. I'll see if I can close it with that. I may have to get a smaller perfume, but let's see. And then I like to carry just a little snack. This is my, oh, messed up, my liquid IV. This is a watermelon flavored liquid IV, which is perfect for spring and summer, that watermelon flavor. This is what we're looking like with that in there. And then I'm gonna put a pepperoni stick. I've been really into these pepperoni sticks. I like to have a quick snack. So I'm gonna put, now, and I am, so you can see how this bag can certainly be worn as a mini bag, because these are all of the essentials that I would need on a day-to-day basis. Now, I would put this inside of a larger bag so I could carry more, because sometimes, you know, I like to carry my larger bag so I can put like a book in them or whatever other things that I need. But all the essentials really do fit in here, so this can absolutely be used as a standalone bag as well. I think that is it, guys. This is what we are looking like in this bag. I am going to try to close this bag and see if I need to adjust anything. The only thing that's kind of concerning me is the atomizer, but I may be okay. I may be okay. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can't close her. Oh, closed very easily. And guys, you see I put a ton of stuff in this bag. So yeah, that is what fits in my little bag. And I think I still don't know which one of these I want to put in on here. But if I put this one, I can just hook it onto the top, and there we go. And that is the bag. Like I say, guys, let me know which one you think is the cutest. For some reason, I'm feeling this one. I think it just adds a little more excitement to the bag. This will look so cute in my larger bags. I absolutely love this. So I am so happy to have this little pop of color, pop of spring and summer. I'll be able to use this all throughout the spring and summer as a standalone or as a catch-all. I did see some other options for some crossbody straps that I may look at if I, tend to do that, just so that I can have the option, because the ones that I have don't work. But this is the cutest little pouch. This is a new color for Longchamp. It's great that they've released it because it's spring and summer, and it's just perfect. It's not doing too much, and it still has a neutral feel that still makes me very comfortable in being able to wear this. And I just like the idea of just pulling this out and having that little hint of color for spring and summer. Because like I said, this will be the only bag. Hold me to that. I'm saying that out loud so you guys can hold me to. This is the only bag. Maybe what I'll do is just sort of alternate. Maybe I don't have to choose which one. Maybe I could just wear one now and then wear one later, because that's how they both look on here. So maybe I will wear one primarily in the spring and the other primarily in the summer. I don't know. I don't know, but like I said, drop down in the comments, guys. Let me know which one is your favorite one. And that is it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Just wanted to pop on here and unbox my new spring summer bag, the newest color to the Longchamp line. They also have this in the coin pouch, the small, medium, large. They have this pouch in all of the colors, but I love it. I'm just obsessed with it and happy to have a little pop of color in my collection. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have a happy, safe, and healthy week. And whatever you do, guys, make it cozy. All right, see you later. Bye.